Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make money on SoundCloud. I'm just going to be showing you a summary video talking about the process. Okay, so first up, you need to join the SoundCloud for Artists. So basically go to artists.soundcloud.com and create your account. Now in here, you'll be able to see two plans. Okay, if you just want to check it out, you can go ahead and choose Artists, as both of these plans can distribute and monetize your tracks. Okay, if you want unlimited uploads, you can go ahead and use Artist Pro and unlimited boost tracks. Okay, you can go ahead and get 100 listeners every upload if you choose this plan. And in the Artist plan, you can only have 100 listeners for 2 times in 1 month. As you can see here, distribute and monetize tracks 2 times a month as well. So basically, you can just go ahead and upload 2 music and then monetize those music in a month. Okay, just 2. And here you can go ahead and upload as many as you like and monetize all of them. Okay, and once you selected your plan, go ahead and log into your account dashboard. Now after that, once you have your artist dashboard, you will need to get an ISRC code. So what is ISRC? ISRC right here is an international standard recording code. This can be obtained through a distribution platform or sometimes generated by SoundCloud. Now, if you're wondering what is ISRC, or you might be asking why do we need to use it, you can go ahead and go to isrc.ifbi.org, okay, and all of your questions will be answered. Just go ahead over to FAQ. Once you have your artist account and you have your ISRC, you can now go ahead and upload your music and then enable monetization. Just go ahead over to the monetization section and then find your music in here or track. Once you've found it, just go ahead and click on Sync with SoundCloud. Or you could go ahead over to Tracks, select the specific music, and just enable the monetization. Okay, once you see the approved status change to a blue sign or $sign with a monetizing status, your track is now monetizing. As says here, if you don't have an ISRC code, you can request one when entering your track's details. Okay, it says here you have an ISRC for this track. Just hit no if you don't have any, and yes, then enter the code in here. All right. Now, before monetizing, make sure to go to your account settings. Go to the earnings section of your SoundCloud for Artist account. Check the payouts option, click the plus sign, then add your payout method. It could be bank transfer or PayPal. From there, just follow the simple prompts, including adding your tax information, your name, so on and so forth. And once that's done, your account is now set up, and now you'll be able to make money or earn money using SoundCloud. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.